Independence Day to one and all present here. Honorable Principal Madam, teachers, parents and my dear friends. Today is the auspicious occasion of our Independence Day. On this day, India has achieved its freedom from the British rule. This independence was achieved by the great sacrifice of our great freedom fighters. Generally, this day is celebrated with great pomp by the whole nation. But due to COVID-19 pandemic, this year our school is celebrating the 74th Independence Day through the virtual media.
Line Dr. Abdul Qayyum sir, who holds the prestigious post of Chairman LNC, Raniganj. I request our Principal Madam to please welcome our chief guest with a floral bouquet, please. Thank you, Madam. As guest of honor, we have with us Lion Sanjay Kayal sir, who is none other than the President Lions Club of Raniganj. I request the Principal Madam to please welcome our guest of honor with a floral bouquet. It's a privilege to have you all with us, sir. Now, I invite your Honorable Principal Madam, Dr. Sucharita Chatterjee Madam, for her welcome address and to share her message on this auspicious day.
The management, staff and students of Raniganj Lions, JDMC, DAV Public School, Raniganj, I extend a warm welcome to our very honorable chief guest of today, Dr. Abdul Qayyum, Lions Club, as very honored guest of honor. Welcome, sir. I take this platform to welcome all other members of Raniganj Lions Club who had been, for my last 1 year tenure in the school, a very big support and a strong pillar all the time. Welcome to all of you. Happy 74th Independence Day of celebration. Don't you think it's a very historic event even today in the pages of history? I'm sure all of you will accept. The world has been gripped by COVID-19. I will not take time for this COVID-19 because my great strength are 2,200 brave children supported by the working staff members of Raniganj DAV. This COVID has not allowed us to deter from the path of success in the life. Today, 2,200 students are waving the national flag from their balcony.
Them to the flag hoisting, please. I request the senior teacher, Abid Mohan Jha, and Nita Madam to convey them. We have the PATs.
जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल शुदे शुदे माझी गुरु गुरु हो गाने गाने पाठ चला शुरू तारी शुदे शुदे माझी गुरु गुरु हो गाने गाने पाठ चला शुरू आज অন্তরে অন্তরে প্রান্তরে প্রান্তরে কণ্ঠে ছড়াবো
Secretary Lion Vijay Jajodia, LMC member and Sushil Gandhiwala, past chairman Dr. C.R. Ghosh, other land members, teachers, students and parents who are on virtual platform today. Happy Independence Day. Today we are here to celebrate our 74th Independence Day. Today is the day to celebrate our independence with much entertainment and of course through different social activities. Today is the day to remember those martyrs who sacrificed their life to fight back our invaders, British invaders.
Teachers and staff members of the school, and of course dear students on person of this world, and it play an important role.
Chairman of LMC Lion, Dr. Abdul Karim sir, who, in spite of his tight schedule, graced the occasion and always being with us with every occasion. We have seen that the chairman of the school and being the pillar of this school, sir always supported us. Thank you so much, sir. I extend my heartfelt thanks to today's guest of honor, Lion Sanjay Kayal sir, President Lions Club of Raniganj. Thank you, sir. I sincerely thank all the dignitaries of Lions Club of Raniganj. I extend my sincere thanks to all the colleagues. I extend my heartfelt thanks to all the students, parents, all the staff members of the school who have witnessed the program and made the program very successful. My vote of thanks will be incomplete if I do not especially mention the brain and brows of this program, none other than our respected and beloved Principal Madam, Dr. Sucharita Chatterjee Madam. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
तेरी सांसों पे थोड़ा सा वतन का भी हक था ना
and never stop inspiring us. Thank you. Jai Hind.
मेरे वतन के लोगों जरा आँख में भर लो पानी, जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी जरा याद करो कुर्बानी।
It is our duty to pray for their safety and stand beside and support the families of those whose beloved have sacrificed their lives to defend ours.
A mission to fulfill, a destiny to reach. So, our Indians, the mission is to guide the humanity. Thank you. Have a nice day.
The Constitution of India, our Bharatiya Sambidhan, is a supreme law of India. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, the chairman of
इन रंग का प्यारा प्यारा
India. I'm from India.
Madhavi, I'm from LP.
सुरम्यं विशालं प्रकामं सरित्तारहारैर्ललामन्निकामं हिमाद्रिललाटे पदे चैव सिन्धु.
My name is Madhavi. I'm from LP.
शिवलोकेन तुल्यं यशो यस्य शुभ्रं विदेशेषु गीतं प्रियं भारतम्.
I would extend my heartful thanks to all the viewers on this online platform for being with us. Again, I would wish everyone a happy Independence Day on the behalf of RLJDMC, DAV Public School, Raniganj.